Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a link in Canva. Have you ever been in the middle of creating a dynamic presentation or eye-catching marketing material and thought, how can I make this even more engaging? Well, adding links to your Canva designs could be the answer. Links can transform your static projects into interactive experiences, allowing viewers to effortlessly navigate to additional resources, websites, or other pages within your document. It might sound complicated, but today we're breaking it down into simple steps that will make adding links a breeze. Alright, let's get started. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Canva account and have your design open and ready to be edited. If you haven't signed up for Canva yet, it's straightforward and quick to get started. Once you're in and your project is displayed, you'll want to locate the text element you intend to enhance with a link. This could be a single word, a full sentence, or even an entire paragraph, depending on what suits your design best. When you've identified the text you want to use, click on it to highlight it. This is crucial because the text must be selected to proceed to the next step. As soon as you highlight your text, take a look at the toolbar that appears above your canvas. This toolbar is your gateway to editing options in Canva. Now, pay attention to the right side of the toolbar where you'll see an icon represented by 3 dots. Clicking on these 3 dots is essential, as it reveals additional editing tools that aren't immediately visible. This little trick is useful not only for adding links, but also for exploring other advanced features Canva offers to enhance your design. Once you've clicked on the 3 dots, you'll notice a variety of new icons. Look for the one labeled Link, often symbolized by a chain link icon. Hovering over this icon will display the word Link as a tooltip. Click on this icon to initiate the linking process. After clicking the link icon, a dialog box will pop up asking you to enter the destination for your link. You have several options here. You might choose to paste a web address that you've copied from a browser, link to another page in your multi-page design, or even connect it to an email or file. For the sake of this example, let's assume you want to link to an external website. Make sure to enter the full URL into the provided field to ensure that it directs correctly when someone clicks on it. Once you've entered your link, look towards the bottom of the dialog box for the Done button. Clicking Done will save your link and finalize the process. It's essential to double-check your URL entry for any typos, because even a small mistake can lead your audience to the wrong destination. Now comes the moment of truth. You can do this by downloading your design or entering Canva's presentation mode. Click on your link text within these modes to ensure that it directs you to the correct destination. This final step confirms that your link works perfectly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly add clickable links to your Canva designs, adding a professional touch and layers of interactivity that will surely impress your audience. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to add a link in Canva. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.